Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use proximity prompts in Roblox. So first, to start with, I'm going to be explaining what proximity prompts are. Basically, they are a way for the user to interact with any other object if they are close enough to that object. The name of the service really says it all. If the player is in a certain proximity or range, prompt them with a button. This button does happen to work on all devices, and as of December 13th of 2020, it has come out of beta, which means it's active in games. So in this tutorial, we are going to be making this table lamp turn on, glowing a random color when interacted with, and turn off when interacted with again. Looking inside of this lamp, we have an attachment, and inside of that attachment, a proximity prompt. This will be the button that the player is going to interact with, so to turn the lamp on and off with. If we take a closer look at the proximity prompt and check out its properties, we will see a few important ones that we are going to take a closer look at to understand. First off, we have a hold duration. This is how long the user will have to hold the button before the button actually activates. Next, we have two properties, the gamepad key code and the keyboard key code. Now, depending on the device, either a gamepad or a computer, the prompt will watch for that button or key to be pressed. Then the last property we are going to look at will be the max activation distance, basically the furthest amount of studs that the player will be able to activate the proximity button from. Alright, great. Now that we have a better understanding of what those properties are and how they function, we can hop into our code. So, looking inside of server script service, we have our script interact. So the first thing we do here is grab the service proximity prompt service. Next, we see down below our function for when a prompt is triggered, meaning that if a prompt is triggered, this will run. So as you can see, we first need to grab the light object that we put our proximity prompt inside of. We can do this by taking the object and grabbing its parents up until we find the light itself. Next, we're going to make a simple if statement, checking to see if the light is on. If the light is on, we need to turn it off. Otherwise, if the light is off, we will change the color to a random color, setting the RGB values to a random number between 50 and 200, and then turning the light on to display that newly changed color. Finally, our last line is a Roblox signal connection, basically making sure that whenever a prompt is triggered, the function onPromptTriggered is called. So as you can see, that script was fairly short due to this new awesome proximity prompt service. Alright, so that's really about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.